Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF file into Acrobat. Here's my PDF. In this PDF file, here's total 3 pages as you can see. To crop page, click on Edit PDF. Then click on Crop Page. Remember, everything will be deleted except for the amount of space you crop. Now select the area you want to crop. Now double click on inside selected area. Simply click on OK. Here we can see first page has been cropped. I'm showing you more 2 times so that you will understand better. That's it for now. If you have benefited a little from this video, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.